Okay, good morning students, secondary students. Yesterday discussed the parametric differentiation, parametric function differentiation, theta, t, so and so on. So today I will discuss the topic is second order derivative. అంటే 1 సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్ డెరివేటివ్, సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్ డెరివేటివ్. సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్ డెరివేటివ్. ఈ సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్ డెరివేటివ్ 100% ఒక 5 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్, 5 marks question, compulsory 100% sure. 2 marks question. One time derivative means first order derivative. Two time derivative means second order derivative, and 2 times derivative. First of all, y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x, derivative with respect to x means y derivative dy by dx, f of x derivative f dash of x. Okay, clear? Y is equal to f of x, derivative y derivative dy by dx, f of x derivative f dash of x. One dash means one time derivative. Okay, and second order derivative again derivative with respect to x. So dy by dx of dy by dx no with respect to x derivative dy by dx of equal to dy by dx of f dash of x. Dy by dx of dy by dx means dd 2 times, 1d means 1 time, d square means 2 times, d square y by dx square, not dy square by d square x. d square y by అంటే derivative of y square means 2 times, 2 times derivative of y, 2 times with respect to x. This is the meaning. Okay, dy by dx means derivative of the function y with respect to x. D square means derivative with derivative of y 2 times, with respect to x also 2 times. Second time with respect to x, first time with respect to x, second time koda with respect to x. This is the meaning. So f dash of x derivative f double dash of x. F dash of x, f double dash of x. F double dash of x is nothing but the function f of x has 2 time derivative. Okay, this is the meaning of second order derivative. First order perfect, if all are perfect in first order, then second order is easy. So depending on yours. Okay, write down. Exercise 5.7, very important exercise, 5 marks question exercise, compulsory 5 marks question. Okay, are clear? 5 marks question, very easy. Find the second order derivative, find the second order derivative for the following, second order derivative of the following functions, of the following functions, of the following. Okay, first one, the first one, x square plus 3x plus 2 given y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2, x square plus 3x plus 2, derivative with respect to x. So dy by dx is simply y dash and dy by dx or y dash. X square derivative d by dx of x square plus 3x plus 2. Which formula? U plus v plus w, u plus v formula. So y dash is equal to derivative of x square 2x, derivative of 3x 3, derivative of 2 constant 0. So y dash is equal to 2x plus 3. Next, again derivative with respect to x, again derivative with respect to x, y double dash is equal to derivative of 2x 2 into 1 plus derivative of 3 is equal to 0, totally 2, y double dash is equal to 2. This is the first problem. The second problem is y is equal to x power 20. Simple problem, easy problem. Homework. Third problem, y is equal to x into cos x. Y is equal to x into cos x. X into cos x, y is equal to. So x into cos x, these are two functions. So using u into v formula, what is the formula? d by dx of u into v is equal to u into v dash plus v into u dash. This is the formula. So derivative with respect to x, derivative with respect to x, y dash is equal to u into x into derivative of d by dx of cos x plus v into, what is v? Cos x, cos x into d by dx of x. So x into derivative of cos x minus sin x plus cos x into derivative of x is 1. So y dash is equal to cos x minus x sin x, cos x minus x sin x. So again derivative with respect to x, again derivative with respect to x, y double dash is equal to d by dx of cos x minus d by dx of x into sin x, u into v formula. So d by dx of cos x minus sin x minus u into v formula, u into v dash. V dash means derivative of sin x, cos x plus sin x into derivative of x 1 no. So e minus sin x, idu minus sin x. So totally minus sin x minus sin x minus 2 sin x minus x cos x, minus sin x minus of plus minus sin, minus sin x minus 2 sin x minus x cos x. Fourth one, y is equal to log x. Homework. Y is equal to log x, first derivative 1 by x. Second derivative of 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by x square. Simple question. Fourth one. Fifth one, y is equal to x cube into log x. X cube into log x, u into v formula. Differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative y dash, u into v formula, u into v dash. V dash means derivative of log x plus v into log x into derivative of x cube 3x square. Derivative of x cube is 3x square. So y dash is equal to x common, cancel x square plus 3x square into log x. Again u into v formula. Again derivative with respect to x. Again derivative with respect to x. Y double dash is equal to d by dx of x square u plus v. First u plus v formula, next u into v formula. Plus 3 is a constant. So d by dx of x square into log x. Again u into v formula. Derivative of x square is equal to 2x, x power n formula, plus 3 into u into v formula, u into derivative of v. Derivative of v means derivative of log x 1 by x plus log x into derivative of x square 2x. So 2x 1x cancel plus 3x plus 3 into 2x 6x into log x. So 2x plus 3x 5x. 5x plus 6x into log x. This is y double dash. Next, sixth problem, y is equal to e power x into sin 5x. E power x into sin 5x. Apply u into v formula. Differentiate with respect to x. So y derivative y dash, if u into v dash means sin 5x. Sin 5x derivative cos 5x into d by dx of 5x plus v into sin 5x into d by dx of e power x. So e power x into cos 5x into 5 plus e power x into sin 5x. E power x into sin 5x. So this is the y dash. Y dash e power x common. E power x common 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x. Okay, e power 5 cos. This is also u into v formula. Again, differentiate with respect to x. So y double dash is equal to u into v dash. V dash means d by dx of 5 cos x cos 5x plus sin 5x plus v into 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x into d by dx of e power x, that is equal to e power x into derivative of 5 constant cos 5x gi minus sin 5x into derivative of 5x. Cos 5x derivative minus sin 5x and derivative of 5x 5 plus sin 5x derivative sin x derivative cos x. At the same way, sin 5x cos 5x into 5x derivative 5 plus 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x into e power x, and simplify. 5 cos 5x 5 cos 5x 10 cos 5x. Okay, finally e power x common. 5 into 5 25 minus 25 sin 5x plus 5 cos 5x plus 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x. So e power x into minus 25 sin 5x plus sin 5x minus 24 sin 5x 5 cos 5x 5 cos 5x 10 cos 5x. This is the answer. Stolva. Seventh one, y is equal to e power 6x into cos 3x. E power 6x into cos 3x. This is same as 6. Eighth question, y is equal to tan inverse x. Y is equal to tan inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x. Y dash is equal to tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. This is the u by v formula. Again derivative with respect to x. Y dash, y double dash is equal to, what is the u by v formula? D by dx of u by v is equal to denominator v square and v into u dash minus u into v dash. So y double dash is equal to v square. V square means what is v? 1 plus x square whole square. V into 1 plus x square into derivative of u. So derivative of 1 dy dx of 1 minus u into 1 into derivative of u, derivative of 1 plus x square. So 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square into derivative of 1 0 minus derivative of 1 plus x square plus 0 plus 2x. So 0 by 1 plus x square whole square, that is equal to 0 minus 2x. So minus 2x by 1 plus x square whole square, minus 2x by 1 plus x square whole square. So, ninth question, y is equal to log of log x. So, differentiate with respect to x, y dash. First derivative, this is the log x, this is x. Derivative of log x, 1 by x. And derivative of x means what? Log x. So that is equal to 1 by log x into 1 by x. So that is equal to 1 by x into log x y dash. This is u by v. So here u is equal to 1, derivative of u is equal to 0. Okay. V is equal to x log x. V is equal to x log x. Derivative of v, u into v formula. U into v dash plus v into u dash. Cancel. V dash is equal to 1 plus log x. So again derivative with respect to x. Again derivative with respect to means y double dash is equal to, what is the u by v formula? V square. V square means x log x whole square, v square. V into x log x into v into u dash. U dash is equal to 0 minus u into v dash. V dash is equal to 1 plus log x. 0. So y double dash is equal to minus of 1 plus log x by x log x whole square. 10th one, y is equal to sine of log x. Differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative y dash. Derivative of sin x log x. Sin x derivative cos x. Cos of log x into what is x? Derivative of log x. So y dash is equal to cos of log x. Derivative of 1 by log x is equal to 1 by x. So y dash is equal to cos of log x by x, u by v formula. Again derivative with respect to x. Y double dash is equal to x square v square, v into derivative of cos of log x minus sin of log x into 1 by x minus cos x derivative minus sin x, log x derivative 1 by x, and u into cos of log x into derivative of x is 1. So simplify, x cancel. So minus sin of log x minus cos of log x by x square, minus sin of log x minus cos of log x. వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ cos minus sin x minus cos of log x into 1 cos sin x की cos x 1 by x square cos of log x minus sin x minus cos of log x into x minus combination. Okay, this is second order derivative first part. This is not more important. This is normal problems. Because today very important to 5 marks problems. Today don't miss the class because 5 marks idu 5 marks but this is not more than important. So tomorrow onward this is very important 5 marks question. So don't miss the class. Thank you.